Hi, Tyler with Cart Tek here. I'm going to show you how to update your accessories in under 5 minutes. Come check it out. Okay, so we're going to take our 5mm Allen and remove the Scorecard. Now we're going to remove the umbrella holder. On the opposite side of the cart is the umbrella holder mount. We're going to use a 4mm Allen with these two screws. There's a screw down in there that you can leave on if you already have this mounted. This piece is the exact same on both units, which I did off camera, and we're going to reuse this piece. We're going to replace this piece, toolless style. So this is the new one, this is the old one. So we line up the two screws and give them a tighten down. I just like to tighten them down nice and snug. Now you can either replace your original umbrella holder, or if you've updated to the new one, you can use that one. Now to install the new style, you've got your knob there. I like to start it when it's upside down because it's easier to see. And then I rotate it to where I want it on the handle and then snug it up. Now we can load 2 of your favorite balls, 3 of your favorite tees, and your pencil.